Top 5 Best Miter Saw Stands. Number 5. ToughBuilt TBS 600. Universally compatible with several brands of miter saws, it is our second choice. Equipped with 8.8-inch rugged solid rubber wheels, you can effortlessly go over rough terrain, as they will never go flat. Offering you the advantage of rolling your 60 pounds and 63 pence saw wherever you need it. Design. Measuring 28.15 inches in width, 29.13 inches in depth, and 57.09 inches in height. When it's folded, you can store it easily and effortlessly. Made from a heavy-duty, 2.4 inches boxed tube frame, it can support up to 800 pounds, while it has two positions when opened, low and high. It has a spare parts tray, for you to keep. Number 4. DeWalt TWX 726. Equipped with large durable rubber wheels, it is extremely easy to move around regardless of what type of floor you have, as it works great even outdoors. On grass or dirt. It is a great addition for personal or commercial use because of its 98-inch length, 32.5-inch width, that offer a wide, adjustable, 8-inch material support area. Plus, it is made of tubular steel construction which supports a maximum of 300 pounds. Moreover, it comes with a foldable design for portability and easy storage, measuring 59.5 inches by 17 inches when folded vertically. 3. Bosch Gravity Rise T4B. It measures 48.42 inches in height, 51.5 inches in length, and can reach an extended length of 103.15 inches, to allow you easier maneuverability for long wood pieces. It has a width of 27.75 inches, and it has a weight of 76 pounds and 70 pence. It features a universal mounting system, thus it will be able to accommodate almost all types of miter saws, so you don't have to worry about acquiring a specific type. Additionally, it provides you with an easy way to move it around, thanks to its large. Number 2. HTCPM 4000. Able to be used with 12-inch miter saws, including compound sliding saws and chop saws. It has an ergonomic, 36-inch working height, for more stability and accuracy. Measuring 44 inches in width, 20 inches in depth, and 6½ inches in height when folded, its 29 pounds and 90 pence weight offers you easy portability and transportation. Its foldable legs swing under the center portion, and are secured in place by pins, thus providing you with more storage space. Strong and sturdy, thanks to its tubular steel design, it is able to support up to 500 pounds. Number 5. WEMSA 750. Able to support up to 750 pounds, it can sustain both your miter saw and your workpiece at the same time. Sturdy and reliable, measuring 52.8 inches in height, 24 inches in depth and equipped with sliding, extensible arms, it can reach a width between 34 to 69 inches. Thus providing additional support for boards up to 10 feet long. Thanks to its universal design, you don't have to worry about what miter saw to use with it, as it can fit nearly every type of saw on the market. All you have to do is to measure the distance between the front and back mounting holes of your saw. If it is less than 15 inches, and on the center line, it will definitely fit the stand. Its powder-coated steel design prevents it from corrosion and marring. Despite not being equipped with wheels, it's